How to create a public profile on Snapchat. First thing first, head over to your application Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. Click on your profile at the top left corner. Right here you'll get to see the option of create public profile. Head over to it. Simply tap on continue and then tap on get started. Click on create. So there you go, the public profile has been created successfully. Now tap on my public profile. So this is your public profile of Snapchat. If you tap on this image icon, you will be able to add the cover photo to your public profile. And if you tap on this three dot, with all of these options, you will be able to manage the settings as per your need. So head over to edit profile. Right here you'll be able to add the bio and the location to your public profile. Likewise, you can modify your account as per your need. And you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create your public profile on Snapchat. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.